The automotive world has been shocked once again by the arrival of the 2026 Morris Minor, a reinvention of a classic model that exudes a bold and futuristic presence, with a striking bright yellow body while maintaining the spirit of its legendary predecessor. If you are a true car enthusiast, you will not want to miss this exclusive review. Stay with us until the end as we break down every detail of its front and rear design, revealing the impressive upgrades that make this car a game changer. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing reviews. Okay, let's get started. At first glance, the front fascia of the 2026 Morris Minor is an absolute showstopper. The headlights have undergone a complete transformation, adopting a sharper, more aggressive look with LED technology that enhances both visibility and style. The front grille has been redesigned with a sleeker yet bolder structure, giving the car a more assertive stance on the road. The smooth integration of the bumper with aerodynamic lines further accentuates its modern flair. Moving to the rear, the enhancements are just as captivating. The taillights feature an entirely new signature LED design that amplifies the car's futuristic appeal. A sculpted rear bumper adds a muscular touch, while the repositioned exhaust system and refined trunk design provide a seamless blend of aesthetics and functionality. The overall rear profile gives the Morris Minor a wider and more planted look, ensuring it stands out in any setting. Under the hood, the 2026 Morris Minor embraces modern engineering to provide an exhilarating drive. The new generation engine offers improved horsepower and torque, making it not only more responsive but also more fuel efficient. A hybrid or fully electric variant may be on the horizon, further cementing Morris Minor's commitment to sustainability. The enhanced suspension system and refined chassis contribute to a smoother, more controlled ride, making every journey a pleasure. The 2026 Morris Minor is a testament to the evolution of automotive design, blending classic inspiration with futuristic execution. From its striking exterior enhancements to its improved performance and aerodynamics, this car redefines what a modern classic should be. Whether you're a longtime Morris Minor enthusiast or a newcomer to the brand, this latest iteration is bound to leave a lasting impression. The legacy lives on, only this time with an electrifying new twist.